Hello students, in this video we will discuss one important model. Observing here, limit of the form limit x tends to a f of x whole power g of x is of the form 1 power infinity. 1 power infinity is also known as indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Don't write 1. 1 power infinity is indeterminate form. Now, observing here, suppose limit x tends to a f of x equal to 1 and limit x tends to a g of x is equal to infinity. In this case, how to solve the problem? Okay, this is a primary observation. The limit of the form limit x tends to a f of x whole power g of x as 1 power infinity. Now, one technique I will give, easily you can solve this problem. To the example I will explain. Okay, listen. Limit x tends to 1 x power 1 by 1 minus 6 is equal to what? Limit x tends to 1 x power 1 by 1 minus 6. Very clearly observed here, replace x by 1, what happening? 1 power 1 by 1 minus 1, 1 power infinity. So in this case, how to estimate this function approaches to what? Okay, a simple format I will give now, observing here. Limit x tends to a f of x whole power g of x is equal to, when f of x power g of x as x tends to a 1 power infinity, e power limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. This technique, remember, easily you can solve it. Power into base minus 1. That's all. Easily now you can solve it. Okay. Now observing here, limit x tends to 1. Observing here, what is f of x? X, g of x is 1 by 1 minus x. Now using this one, e power limit x tends to 1, 1 by 1 minus 6 into x minus 1, base minus 1. Now you can simplify here, e power limit x tends to 1, this value minus 1, finally e power minus 1 or 1 by e. So as x tends to 1, x power 1 by 1 minus 6 tends to 1 by e. Clear? Now here, one more question we will discuss now. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole power sin x by x minus sin x. Very clear, this is also 1 power infinity. Why? Because as x tends to 0, sin x by x tends to 1. On limit x tends to 0, sin x by x minus sin x. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x minus sin x. Very clear here, this is 0 by 0 form. Now using LHospital rule, what happening? Limit x tends to 0 cos x by 1 minus cos x. Now apply limit, what happening? 1 by 1 minus 1, that is what? Infinity. So as x tends to 0, sin x by x minus sin x tends to infinity. As x tends to 0, sin x by x tends to 1. That's why this is also is of the form 1 power infinity. Now should apply this technique. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x whole power sin x by x minus sin x is equal to e power limit x tends to 0. What is the power here? Sin x by x minus sin x. So sin x by x minus sin x into base. What is the base now? Sin x by x. So sin x by x minus 1 Now should simplify. E power limit x tends to 0 sin x by x minus sin x into sin x minus x by x. Now very clear, observing here, limit x tends to 0, very clear, both will cancel, getting minus of sin x by x. As x tends to 0, sin x by x, 1. So that's why very clear, e power minus 1, that is what? 1 by e. So, as x tends to 0, this function tends to 1 by e. Clear? Now one more question we'll discuss. Limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x plus c power x by 3 whole power 1 by x. This is also important problem. JEE model. Okay, observing first. Replace x by 0, a power 0, 1, b power 0, 1, c power 0, 1. 3. 3 by 3, 1. Very clear. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by x tends to infinity. So very clear. This is also 1 power infinity format. Now should apply technique. So e power limit x tends to 0. What is the power? 1 by x into a power x plus b power x plus c power x by 3 minus 1. That's all. Power into base minus 1. Now what happening? That's e power limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x plus c power x minus 3 by 3x. Okay, which is of the form? Very clear, 0 by 0 form. Because of a power 0 plus b power 0 plus c power 0, 3 minus 3, 0 by 0. Now using L'Hospital rule. So e power limit x tends to 0, a power x into log a, that is differentiate each term from numerator, plus b power x into log b plus c power x into log c divided by 3. Now apply limit, what happening? Log a plus log b plus log c by 3 or e power 1 by 3 into log of ABC using logarithm property. Log a plus log b plus log c is equal to what? Log ABC. Now finally observe here, e power log of ABC whole power 1 by 3 to the base. In general, base C natural logarithms. So all I told using the logarithm property, e power log of ABC whole power 1 by 3 to the base E is equal to what? Very clear? ABC whole power 1 by 3. Just I will recall now the property. A power log x to the base A is equal to what? X. This property applied here. This is one important problem. Now a small extension I will give now, observing. Limit x tends to 0, a1 power x plus a2 power x plus and so on plus an power x whole by n power 1 by x is equal to what? So remember this statement. Same here using the previous problem concept only. This technique we should apply easily, we can do it. So using this process here, getting here, how many terms are there here? N terms there. Here 3 terms are there. Here ABC whole power 1 by 3. So A into B into C whole power 1 by 3. Here n terms are there. A1, A2, A3 and so on An. How many terms are there? N terms. That's why its value is what? A1 into A2 into and so on An whole power 1 by n or nth root of A1, A2 and so on An. So this is a very important result. Remember, then easily you can solve the problems. Now one more question we'll discuss now. Observing one more question. Limit x tends to 0, 16 power x plus 9 power x by 2 whole power 1 by x. Now using this statement now, within one step getting answer. That observing here, what is a1 here? 16. What is the a2? 9. So that's why very clear, two terms are there. Square root of 16 into 9 is our answer. That is 4 into 3, 12. That's all. So this is a very important result. This is also important JEE main model. So remember, easily you can solve the problems. Remaining problems we'll discuss in the next video.